Your timeline is flooded with stories of people turning a few bucks into life-changing money, all from meme coins. It feels like a lottery, right? Like only a lucky few ever win. But what if there's a repeatable pattern? A blueprint that the next 100x meme coin will follow. In the next 10 minutes, I'm giving you a strategy. A 5-point checklist to filter out the noise and find the real gems. We'll break down exactly what the last mega winners, Dogwifhat, Pepe, Brett, had in common. This isn't about hype. It's about a process you can use right now. So, stop scrolling and pay close attention. The first step is the foundation for everything else. Let's get into it. First, where is the coin being launched? The blockchain matters more than you think. Think of it as building on solid ground versus a swamp. The right chain is your foundation. Ethereum used to be the go-to, but high gas fees have pushed new users away. Now chains like Solana and Base are thriving, fast, cheap, and packed with new users. Base, backed by Coinbase, is especially hot, with millions of potential users just a tap away. Don't waste time on ghost chains. Focus on where the action is, where transaction volume and developer activity are booming. Use tools like defi to track where money is flowing. Narrow your focus to 2 or 3 high-growth chains. This is your hunting ground. You're not searching the whole world, just the most promising spots. The next 100x meme coin will be born where new users and liquidity are flooding in. Pick your ecosystem wisely. Get this right and you're already halfway there. Once you've chosen your chain, you're ready for the next step. Now let's find your champion. You've picked your chain. Now ignore the endless copycats and look for a real narrative. The best meme coins aren't just logos, they're stories, jokes, or vibes people instantly get. Pepe wasn't just a frog, it was internet culture. Dogwifhat, instantly funny and memeable. Brett, a character with a built-in story, perfectly timed for Base's rise. The narrative is what makes people care, share, and hold through the dips. If you can't explain the meme in one sentence and get a laugh, it's probably not strong enough. A great meme coin markets itself. People make content, spread the word, and build the hype for free. Look for originality, humor, or a clever twist on something familiar. The narrative is the difference between a coin that fizzles and one that becomes a movement. Don't settle for generic, find the story that sticks. If it's just another dog or moon coin, move on. The coins that 100x become part of internet culture, not just a ticker symbol. The narrative is your filter, use it ruthlessly. Find the spark that makes you say, I get it. That's the coin with real potential. Next, the community. A meme coin without a real community is dead on arrival. Don't be fooled by big Telegram numbers. Bots are everywhere. Lurk in the chats. Are people making memes, helping newcomers, and having fun? Or is it just spam and price talk? Check Twitter replies. Are real people engaging, or is it all bots? A healthy community is creative, chaotic, and passionate. They organize meme contests, raids, and even real-world stunts. If the chat is muted, questions are ignored, or everyone's obsessed with price, that's a red flag. You want a digital campfire, not a soulless stock ticker. The vibe check is real, trust it, take time to observe. Does it feel alive or fake and desperate? The best meme coins have communities that build culture, not just chase pumps. Without a real community, even the best meme is worthless. This is your social horsepower test. Don't skip it. Only move forward if the community passes. Now the boring but crucial part, safety. Even the best meme coin is a trap if the tokenomics are rotten. First, check for a fair launch. No massive pre-mines or insider allocations. Use dextools or birdeye to see if any wallet holds a scary percentage. If so, run. Next, verify liquidity is locked or burned. If the dev can pull liquidity, it's a rug pull waiting to happen. Look for a renounced contract so the devs can't change the rules later. These checks aren't glamorous, but they'll save you from 99% of scams. The narrative and community are fun, but safety is non-negotiable. Your checklist, fair distribution, locked liquidity, renounced contract. If a coin fails any of these, walk away, no exceptions. Protect yourself, no one else will. The wild west of crypto rewards the cautious. Only after passing these checks should you even consider investing. This is your shield, never skip it. Now let's talk about the math. Here's where the 100x magic happens. Low market cap. Market cap is what matters, not the coin price. A coin at $100K market cap only needs to hit $10 million for a 100x. That's achievable. Compare that to a $1 billion coin, it would need to hit $100 billion. Almost impossible. The smaller the starting number, the less money needed for huge gains. That's why early entries see life-changing returns. They get in before the crowd. Use dextools or birdeye to filter for low-cap coins with enough liquidity to trade. The sweet spot? $50K to $300K market cap for new coins. But remember, low cap means high risk. That's why you need all the other steps first. Only hunt for low cap coins that pass every filter right chain, strong narrative, real community, and safety checks. The equation is simple. All the right ingredients multiplied by low market cap equals 100x potential. Focus on the math, not the hype. This is how you make asymmetric bets with massive upside. To recap, here's your 5-point blueprint. 1. Pick the right chain, where new users are flooding in. 2. Find a meme with a real sticky narrative. 3. Verify a genuine, creative community. 4. Do your safety checks. Fair launch, locked liquidity, renounced contract. 5. Focus on low market cap for real 100x potential. Use this system and you're no longer gambling, you're hunting with a plan. Like, subscribe, and comment which chain you think will launch the next big meme coin. Stay safe, do your own research, and I'll see you in the next one.